If you're thinking about building a post frame structure, it's good to find out about post rot and all the ways that you can prevent it. So, stay tuned. If you're serious or maybe just curious about post frame construction, tractors, and homesteadings, well, you've come to my safe place. Why not consider subscribing, tapping on the bell, and joining in on the conversation? Post rot occurs from 2 inches above the ground to 16 inches below the ground. That's the area where there's sufficient moisture and oxygen in order for microorganisms to live and feast on your post. Green Post solves the problem of post rot by taking a bituminous layer and then surrounding it by a polythylene layer and heat shrinking it directly to the post. Green Post could either be buried directly in the ground with normal backfill, or it can be partially buried with concrete. You'll notice the notches on the post. When used with concrete, it helps protect against updraft. At a cost of only $30 to $40 per post, Green Post is definitely an item I'd put on my list of things to investigate before building my structure.